Today we will discuss about the power of cloud computing. That means what is cloud computing? What are the service models and deployment model of cloud computing and benefits of cloud computing. And the another topic which is related to the cloud computing, that is virtualization. So what is virtualization? So first topic, that is what is cloud computing. So we will cover this topic. So cloud computing means we can access over the internet everything like files, storage, document, videos, and programs. Users can access every data on the cloud, but users need a proper internet connectivity. And also users should have the user ID and the password for the security purposes. We can carry it over the smartphone, we can carry it over the laptop, we can carry it over the computers as well. So this is the cloud computing. Now the service models of cloud computing. Service model of cloud computing. So there are three types of service model. First one, SaaS. Second one, PaaS. And the third one, IaaS. So SaaS is also called software as a service. PaaS is also called platform as a service. And the IaaS is called infrastructure as a service. And other than that, we have also deployment model of cloud computing. So first one is the private model. Second one is the public model. And the third one is the hybrid model. We will discuss one by one service models of cloud computing and the deployment models of cloud computing. So first we will discuss service models of cloud computing. So the first service model, that is SaaS. That means software as a service. What is the use of SaaS in the cloud computing? So SaaS will provide services in the form of softwares in the cloud. We don't need any software installed in our system. All the software will provided in the cloud. If I take an example, Gmail, Dropbox, Salesforce. So these are the examples for which is provide SaaS service. If I talked about Gmail, to store our data in the cloud, to store our images, to store our videos, to store our documents in the cloud. If I talking about another example, Salesforce. Salesforce is a CRM, and next is the which is the part of PaaS, that is platform as a service. It is provided platform to develop our applications, to deploy our applications, to run our applications on the server, to run our website on the server. So it is provide this platform. Examples of platform as a service are Salesforce, Google Cloud, web applications. If I talked about Salesforce, so Salesforce will also provide the platform to develop our applications, to create our applications, to run our applications in a cloud, in a server. If I take another example, web applications. So we are using servers to run our web applications on the cloud. We need cloud, we need servers to run our web applications, to run our website. And another example, that is Google Cloud. We are using Google Cloud to store our data, to store our applications, to store our images, to store our videos, documents, which is very important. So that's why we are using platform as a service. We don't any physical device to carry these documents. We can easily find on the cloud. And now we are discuss about another service, that is infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Using IaaS, this is provided infrastructure for our storage, for networking, to set up servers on the based on the different locations. We can also manage our applications, our web-based applications, our data storage. So that's why this is called infrastructure as a service. If I take an example, we are using Gmail storage. Examples of infrastructure as a service are virtual machines, storage, network, and servers. As we know that we can already storage using over the cloud, because we need to store every data in a server. Network, we need an internet connection. We need a proper network to connect with the cloud, to connect with the servers. If we're talking about the servers, so for the different locations, If I need access some website, so we need to set up servers. And now we will discuss the deployment model of cloud computing. That is private, public, and the hybrid. Let's discuss about the deployment model of cloud computing. So first we will discuss private cloud. So private cloud means it is not freely available. You need to pay to use these services over the cloud. Examples are website hosting, you have seen that if you have created a website and you want to host this website on the cloud, on the server, you need to pay some amount to hosting this website. You need to buy a server to host this particular website on a particular server. So website hosting, Salesforce services, which is not freely available. So which services is not freely available in the Salesforce? That is marketing cloud, data cloud, commerce cloud. It is not freely available. You need to pay for these services. So this is a type of private cloud. And the next is the public cloud. So what is public cloud? Which is freely available. Anyone can access. There is no need to pay any amount. To use these services. Examples are Service Cloud, Sales Cloud. This is a part of Salesforce, which is freely available. You don't need to pay any amount to use these services. YouTube videos, which is freely available, we can see on a YouTube. Games, music, images. So these are the examples which is comes under the public cloud. Now we will discuss about the hybrid cloud. It is a combination of private cloud and the public cloud. In this force, there is a mix of private and public cloud. There are services marketing cloud, commerce cloud, which is not freely available, but the service cloud and sales cloud, which is freely available. So it is a part of hybrid cloud. Movies. Data storage of Gmail. In the starting, Gmail will give 15 GB storage. But after some time, if we need more storage, then we need to pay. These are the examples which comes under the hybrid cloud. Now we will talk about virtualization. This is used to create virtual machines like virtual storage, virtual servers over the cloud. Even we can also create virtual network. Sometimes we need these virtual storage, virtual networks to store some data over the cloud, to access some information over the servers. So that's why we are creating virtualization. We are using virtualization. So this is also a part of the cloud computing.